Are you tired of feeling sluggish and bloated? Today, I'll share 10 game-changing tips to boost your gut health and transform your well-being. We often overlook the significance of gut health, but it plays a pivotal role in our overall wellness. It's not just about digestion. It's about how our body absorbs nutrients, our immune system function, and even our mood. If you've ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous, that's your gut-brain connection at work. Here's a surprising fact. Did you know that the majority of your immune system resides in your gut? That's right, about 70% of it. So, a healthy gut isn't just about avoiding that bloated feeling after a meal. It's about feeling energetic, boosting your immunity, and enhancing your mood. So let's embark on this journey to better health together. Understanding the vital role of gut health is the first step to improving your overall wellness. Many of us suffer from common gut health issues like bloating, indigestion, and low energy without realizing the root cause. It's easy to brush off these symptoms as just a part of life, but they could be signaling that your gut health is out of balance. Gut health refers to the balance of microorganisms that live in our digestive tract. These little guys play a crucial role in our health, influencing everything from metabolism to mood, and even the immune system. When this delicate balance is disrupted, it can lead to a variety of unpleasant symptoms. Let's talk about bloating first. It's that uncomfortable, swollen feeling you get in your stomach, usually after eating. It's often caused by excessive gas production or disturbances in the movement of the muscles in the digestive system. This can be a result of a poor diet, stress, or a lack of physical activity. Next up is indigestion, a discomfort or a burning feeling in the stomach, often accompanied by nausea, abdominal bloating, belching, and sometimes vomiting. Some people might experience feelings of fullness during or after a meal, even if the meal was light or normal. Like bloating, indigestion can be triggered by lifestyle and dietary factors, but also by other digestive conditions. Last but not least, we have low energy. You might be wondering, what does my energy level have to do with my gut? Well, quite a lot, actually. The gut is responsible for absorbing nutrients from your food, which are then used for energy. So if your gut health is compromised, you might not be absorbing nutrients effectively, leading to feelings of fatigue. Beyond these common issues, poor gut health can also contribute to more serious conditions, including irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease, and even mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Understanding these common gut health issues is the first step towards improving your overall wellness. Remember, a healthy gut means a healthy you. With the right knowledge and tools, you can take control of your gut health and start feeling better from the inside out. Poor gut health can significantly impact your overall wellness and quality of life. Don't let it. Take the steps needed to ensure a healthy gut and a healthier you. Boosting your gut health can be as simple as making a few changes to your diet and lifestyle. Let's dive right into the first 5 tips. Starting off with tip number 1. Eat more fibre-rich foods. Fibre is the unsung hero of a healthy gut. It acts as a fuel source for beneficial gut bacteria and aids in digestion. Not to mention, it helps keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, aim to include more high-fibre foods in your daily meals. Think fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. A simple switch like choosing brown rice over white can make a big difference. Moving on to tip number 2. Incorporate probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and kimchi into your diet. Probiotics are good bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut. They can be found in a variety of fermented foods. From tangy yogurt to spicy kimchi and refreshing kombucha, there are plenty of tasty options to choose from. Regularly including these foods in your meals can help cultivate a thriving gut microbiome. Tip number 3. Stay hydrated with plenty of water. Water is essential for just about every bodily function, and that includes digestion. It helps break down the food you eat and prevents constipation. If you find it challenging to drink enough water, try infusing it with fruits for a flavorful twist, or keep a water bottle at hand to remind you to hydrate throughout the day. Let's talk about tip number 4. Manage stress through mindfulness and relaxation techniques. You might be wondering, what does stress have to do with gut health? Well, a lot actually. The gut and brain share a close connection, and stress can negatively impact your gut health. Incorporating mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing exercises, can help manage stress levels and, in turn, support a healthier gut. Finally, tip number 5. Limit processed foods and sugar intake. Processed foods and high sugar items can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria and lead to a host of health issues. Aim to reduce your consumption of these foods. Instead, focus on whole foods, rich in nutrients. Try swapping out a sugary snack for a piece of fruit, or choose homemade meals over fast food options. By implementing these tips, you can start to see improvements in your gut health and overall well-being. Remember, the journey to better health is a marathon, not a sprint, so take it one step at a time. Stay tuned as we delve into the next 5 tips in our journey to boost gut health. Improving gut health is not just about feeling better. It's about transforming your entire well-being. The journey might seem challenging, but remember, each small step you take is a huge leap towards a healthier you. Let's take a moment to appreciate the power of positive changes. Picture this. Imagine feeling lighter, energized, and being in better control of your health. That's the power of a healthy gut. We've heard countless stories of individuals who've transformed their lives by focusing on their gut health. There's Jane, a busy mother of 3 who was constantly feeling bloated and fatigued. By incorporating these tips into her lifestyle, she now enjoys more energy and a happier mood. And there's Michael, a workaholic who suffered from chronic indigestion. With these changes, he's not only relieved of his discomfort, but also enjoys better focus at work. The journey to better gut health doesn't end here. The next set of tips will provide more ways to enhance your gut health and overall wellness. Ready for more tips to boost your gut health? Let's dive in. Tip 6 is all about prebiotic foods, such as garlic and onions. These foods are like a super fuel for your gut bacteria, supporting your digestive health and boosting your immune system. But how to include more of these in your meals? Get creative. Add finely chopped garlic to your salad dressings, or toss some roasted onions into your favorite stir fry. Moving on to tip 7. Let's talk about intermittent fasting. This practice involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. It can help give your gut a break, allowing it to repair and restore itself. If you're considering trying intermittent fasting, it's essential to do so safely. Start slow, perhaps by extending the time between dinner and breakfast, and always listen to your body's signals. Now, tip 8. Regular exercise isn't just for your muscles and heart. It also promotes gut motility. Physical activity stimulates the natural contraction of intestinal muscles, helping to move food through your gut and prevent constipation. So what's a good way to get moving? You don't have to run a marathon. Even a daily walk or a quick yoga session can do the trick. On to tip 9. If you have specific dietary restrictions, or if your diet is lacking in certain nutrients, supplements can be a useful tool. Probiotics and digestive enzymes can support your gut health by boosting your gut flora and aiding in digestion. As with any supplement, it's crucial to choose high-quality products and to follow the recommended dosage guidelines. As always, it's a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. Finally, tip 10. It's essential to listen to your body and pay attention to how different foods make you feel. If certain foods consistently cause discomfort or digestive issues, it could be a sign that they're not right for your gut. Keeping a food diary can be a great way to track symptoms and identify potential trigger foods. Remember, everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. So stay mindful and find what works best for you. By integrating these tips into your lifestyle, you can significantly improve your gut health and overall well-being. Remember, your gut health is a journey, not a destination. It's about making consistent positive choices that support your body's unique needs. So take it one step at a time and don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Your gut and your body as a whole will thank you. These 10 tips provide a comprehensive guide to improving your gut health. From incorporating fibre and probiotic-rich foods into your meals, staying hydrated, managing stress, to limiting your intake of processed foods and sugar, every step contributes to a healthier gut. We've also discussed the importance of including prebiotic foods in your diet, the potential benefits of intermittent fasting, the role of regular exercise, and the use of supplements. And let's not forget the significance of being mindful of how different foods make you feel. A strategy that can be effectively managed through keeping a food diary. It's a lot to take in, but remember, every small change can make a big difference. Prioritizing gut health is not just about feeling better in the short term. It's about setting the stage for long-term wellness and vitality. Remember, your gut health is the foundation of your overall wellness. It's time to take control and boost your gut health.